Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we'll talk about how to import contacts from Google Drive to your phone. If you want to know how to backup your contacts on Google Drive, click the link at the top of this video. So first we need to open Google Drive. Open the folder with our contacts. Now if you want to import only one contact, just tap on it. And here choose Device option. If you want to import multiple contacts, just select all of them, tap the three dots at the top. Now, if you're using iPhone device, just download them and then move them to the folder, your contact folder on the phone. I'm using Android and Google Drive isn't the best option to backup contacts on Android devices. So the best option is just select settings and the fastest option, just select settings, then search bar, type Google Contact Synchronization and turn it on. Select Google account and whatever device you're using, if you're log into your Google account, you see the contacts in your phone app.